Hey, what's up everyone? It's power carving time. As you saw, I glued up these two blocks together. I have my flex shaft and Dremel 4300 all set up. So I'm going to do a little fast speed on the video while I show you guys how I carve a sunflower. So enjoy and thanks for watching. Okay, so I got this kutzall 1.8" shaft rotary burr. It's very coarse, extreme. I'm gonna try and take out the majority of the waste on here. So let's install it on the flex shaft and try it out. Now let's put some dust mask and some eye protection. Alright, so I'm just going to keep going around, get my pedals all figured out, and then I'll start getting the depth of each pedal. So stay tuned. gonna do a little bit more carving, get some of the back carved out, and then I'll stop for today. So let's do this right now. Alright guys, so it's getting late, it's raining outside, and I still got a lot of detail work to do on here. I want to make it a little bit thinner. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 of the carving, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.